Why basic learning is essential for iPhone repairs. What is basic learning? Watch this video where a student is learning basic iPhone repairs. Side-by-side know why it's important. Hello, welcome back. Basic learning is learning to do everyday basic things, like changing displays, batteries, speakers, flexes, etc. Yes, everyone can do that, but not in precision. Many repair shops are afraid to open iPhones for repairs. Original displays are costly, they damage things, and that fear always stays in their heads. We, in our training, tell us best ways to how to do precise repairs without damage. Why these things are important. You can't write Apple unless you know A, B, C. Similarly, you can't repair a device unless you know how to open it without damaging things. So, this guy in the video is learning the first steps how to open an iPhone without any damage. This is his day 2 task when he performs himself. The device came for a display change, back glass change, charging problem. So, he successfully disassembled the display without any damages to display. Next thing is to remove the screws, and then cowling. After the screws, the cowling is out. Next, how to remove the display without losing face-id. Well, the dot projector of this device is already faulty and the customer don't want to get it repaired. This device is being disassembled for the first time. And the screen is out without damaging speaker flex. Let's check the display for any damage. It's the same as it was before. He is now repairing the charging port. We at iClinic prefer to repair things first before replacements, which are cost-effective for customers. And their parts remain original, as we service them to again work like new ones. Also, repairs helps in reducing the electronics waste. The student is learning the same way. Now it's how to remove back glass. The easy way, the safe way. The back glass is removed without damaging. Wireless coil. Why it isn't done by laser. Why it is fully disassembled. Students learn every technique the safest way, so that they only earn money and gain respect by not damaging things. They learn how to clean the surface and prepare it for the new back glass. After cleaning, it's time to apply glue. After placing the back glass, we use rubber dot bands to ensure perfect fitting. Then, the whole device is assembled again and checked if everything works good. After everything assembled and rechecked, the device is ready to be delivered. Besides these basic everyday works, the students learn some advanced repairs also. Reading panic reports, fast diagnosis, giving dead iPhones a new life, reading schematics, and many secrets of microsoldering. We teach fast repairs, easy ways, basic learning in advanced way, and some basic advanced learning.